All right, so this is day 8 of working with Vada, my personal OpenClaw agent. As I said before, we work mostly on Signal. However, we're starting to put in place things like the mission control board, which is a Kanban board of mini tasks assigned to either both of us, her or myself, and rated on priority. One other thing that we are starting to do is we are starting to cut videos. Now, unfortunately, I have not gotten to the place where I'm actually happy with the cuts that I'm receiving. However, we are very busy training Vada on making cuts that I would make if I were to be video editing myself. What I wanted to talk about mostly in today's video is feeding Vada skills. So teaching Vada skills, what does that actually look like? So there are two pathways, right? Like I can either train her or I can give her a skill that already exists. And this is what I just did. So I follow this girl, Zara, on Twitter, and she talks about a skill that she made to generate slides with Claude Code. Now, what I did is I found this skill, which is open, called front-end slides on GitHub. I gave Vada the link to this page and asked, can you incorporate this skill into your skills? Vada did it, and then I gave Vada a prompt to create a demo slide deck for a demo that I'm giving about capsules tomorrow, a 5-minute demo, pulling from our capsules Notion page, our landing page, and any content that I've done, that I've posted about capsules on Twitter or LinkedIn. So she did, and I was really curious about the quality, about what she could come up with this newly incorporated skill that she now has. So here it is. This is what she came up with. This was a one-shot, one prompt. I did not do any edits on this. So problem statement, the solution, what it really is. Let me show you. What does the process of generating a capsule look like? The different use cases, the traction, where we are in the 6 months of building capsules, why we built it, a little bit of the origin story, and that's it. Yes, I am going to edit this. I am going to improve this for sure, but like, what? This is so crazy. I made this in one prompt talking to my personal agent here on Signal, right? So I'm excited to do more of this. I'm excited to find more skills, to give Vada more skills, and also to train Vada so that she, for instance, understands how to edit videos in the way that I would, or understands how to write in the way that I would. And I'm also excited to make some skills that I can share with others, just like Zara did here with her front-end slide skill. This is really cool, and this makes me really appreciate open source software. So one thing that I'm really excited about doing is actually finding more of these skills and then forking them and working on them myself and customizing them to what I need. And that is exactly what I'm doing with actually another skill that Zara made, which is called LongCut. So I've forked the repository and I'm hosting this locally now. And I'm working in my terminal to make this skill more relevant to me. And Vada is helping me with that process. So Vada is also running a local version. And this is so crazy to me that I, as a super non-technical person, have the ability to do this now. I have the ability to contribute to repositories on GitHub, to contribute to open source code. Yeah, I don't know. Things are changing so quickly, but this whole idea of having AI agents help you do tasks, help you code, help you bring creative visions to life is pretty exciting to me.